Hey, how's it going, guys? Welcome to another video from Mojo Hookah Lounge. My name is Al, and today we have a comparison between different hookah heads that we have in our hookah lounge. We'll walk you through the materials that they made of and basically the benefits and the disadvantages of each bowl. So let's get started. Well, first thing first, once you buy a hookah, you're probably gonna get a standard regular head that it comes with. So usually those are a little trashy. You might want to throw them away and buy a good hookah head. Usually something like this or something like this, which is a standard hookah head that comes with a hookah. You don't want to use them. Those are not the best quality, so let's just take them away. In our hookah lounge, we mostly use upgrade form, which is a white clay. It's really thick and sturdy, and the quality of the head is pretty much superb. Then another option that we use at our hookah lounge is a silicone that mixed with the glass. It's Samsaris Cloud. We mostly use them for lighter tobaccos such as Fumari, Starbuzz, or sometimes even Al-Fajr. It works perfect with those type of tobaccos. As you can see, it comes with two pieces. So glass portion usually overheats, and then the silicone part takes that heat away. So that creates smooth experience while you're smoking. Another good option to try the hookah is basically a HookahJohn bowl. It's a funnel bowl. Usually works best with something like Tangiers, Lavu, or any strong tobaccos. We prefer to use it with foil, but you could use it with Lotus as well. And another bowl that looks kind of similar to HookahJohn is a Handiworks bowl. It's pretty shallow, so best for tobaccos that are really expensive or super strong. And with this type of bowl, you might want to use foil because usually Lotus or any heat management unit does not fit on top of it. My personal favorite, which is Tortuga, it is unique because it doesn't have the air slot in the middle. It has them all around, so you pretty much just lay the tobacco in it and start smoking. So we're constantly doing research of the market, which relates to everything the hookah equipment related. And we're constantly searching for new heads, but however, based on our experience, what we found is upgrade form and then the Vitria Samsaris Cloud. Those are the best two commercial hookah heads that you can use. So basically stick to the stronger tobaccos on the clay head, and then for the lighter tobaccos, you can use the glass with the silicone combination. Works out pretty good. Our customers love it. And if you'd like to purchase one, you can definitely stop by our hookah lounge and purchase one for yourself so you can use it at home. The main benefit of the upgrade form is that it uses white clay, which is really heat resistant, and it also thick type of material that really helps out with the experience while you're smoking the hookah. You can smoke it for an hour and a half or even 2 hours if you pack it right. Let us know in the comments down below what hookah setup is best for you, and also let us know in the comments down below on what you want to see next, and also subscribe to our channel, and we'll leave a link down below just so you could send us an inquiry in case if you want to buy some of our gear or if you have anything to review so we can do a review for you guys. Subscribe to Mojo Hookah Lounge. Stay tuned for some new videos and see you next time.